Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore project files in monday.com after sync errors, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore project files in monday.com after sync errors, begin by logging into your monday.com account. Navigate to the workspace where the sync error occurred. Locate the board that contains the project files needing restoration. Click on the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the board. Select the Item History option from the drop-down menu. Review the history to identify the point just before the sync error occurred. Take note of the timestamps and any relevant changes that were made. Return to the board view after reviewing the item history. Now, hover over the item you want to restore. Click on the item to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, find the More Options icon, usually represented by three dots. Select Restore from the options presented. Confirm the restoration by clicking OK on any prompts that appear. After restoration, double-check the project files to ensure all data is correct. If the issue persists or additional items need restoration, repeat the process for each affected item. Once all needed items are restored, verify that everything is functioning as expected. Consider syncing again to ensure all changes are correctly reflected. If problems continue, reach out to monday.com support for further assistance. Keep a record of any sync errors for future reference and troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.